Good morning, guys. We've been having this chicken that, at least one, but two sometimes, that has been hiding underneath the chicken coop to lay their eggs. And this morning I got her. She's hiding underneath the chicken coop. At least she's close enough where I can reach the egg instead of have to use something to get it. I'm going to give you a panorama view of the chickens that are still in here this morning. Leave them alone, Lucy. Mr. Peeps is still in here. Mr. Peeps, he's the head honcho. Okay. Thank you for joining me. Love you guys. Have a great day.